Jamai. It's the sort of beginning of August-ish. I'm a teacher, so I'm in the middle of my summer holidays. It's sort of, I don't know what day of the week it is anymore. We spent the first week of the holidays preparing for our 50th birthday party, which was absolutely fantastic, catching up with family and friends and playing a little bit of uke, and we had brilliant weather. But things have changed. We sort of returned to normal with the Welsh summer weather. So Rachel's Rambles number 4 is going to be a rainy day in Ukulele Wales and what I get up to. So it's a miserable rainy day in Wales in the middle of summer. Nothing new there. So yeah, rather than playing outside today, I thought I'd do a little bit of playing inside. No, looking at that sky, we're not going outside today. It's all okay though, you got plenty of ukulele stuff to do. Oh, I suppose we better let the cat in then before we go and play. Come on then. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah, it's not Wolfie. That's Chitta. Okay, so I was doing a little bit of filming yesterday for reading bass music for your bass ukuleles, and as you can see, we've got a little bit of tidying up to do. It's always the same. So I got some microphones, there's a bass ukulele that needs putting away. There's all my workbench at the minute. But one of my main jobs, and anybody who makes lots of videos will know, there's an awful lot of keeping sure batteries are plugged in and recharged all the time. So this one here at the minute is the battery pack for my audio, which is just about there. So I'll be plugging this in. There's it gone. And also the batteries for my little portable light, they're going to be plugged in. A couple of other bits and pieces that I'm hoping to look for this afternoon. New suction thing for my new DJI camera, which I'm filming this on at the minute, and this arrived today as well. It's just another little adapter, a geeky thing for using microphones. So a little bit of tidying up, putting stuff away, and then you might have seen it on the workbench a second ago. I had a new pedal for my birthday. I intend to put it on my bass pedal board. So there's my bass pedal board on my BUFX, and the plan is to put the new pedal, which is a delay and reverb in one, and try and fit that on here somewhere. So that's a little job, possibly, or hopefully at least, for this afternoon. Now I'm renowned for running at a time, because technically later I should actually be editing the how to read music on your bass ukulele videos, but there is one other little thing that I do want to have a little play with this afternoon too. And that is this, my new Risa LP Tenor electric ukulele that I had for my birthday a couple of weeks ago. So hopefully I might get to have a little play with that this afternoon too. And the one thing I really mustn't forget is I've now got to go and scan a few pages from this book, ready to do the reading music for our bass ukuleles. So my music studio stroke YouTube studio, I'm not going to lie, I'm not the neatest of people. I do have a habit of putting things down and just leaving them there. And the room goes from being lovely and tidy to completely annihilated in a matter of minutes, especially when I'm making videos. So everywhere in the room has got to have a home. I do try and be quite organised. So it's a case of whenever I finish recording a video, I've really got to try and tidy up after myself almost as soon as I can. And we've got the new storage shelves over in the corner. That's something else. Now, I've always had a lot of music equipment, but suddenly I'm finding myself with new camera equipment for recording, microphones, and all sorts of gear that I never imagined I'd have to store away. Oh, that's a bit better. I finally got all my tools put away as well. I've been meaning to do that for ages. So there we go, bit tidier, everything is in charging at the minute, ready for later. So a little bit of fun time. Yeah, I've run out of time. I've run out of play time today anyway. So I've got as far as knowing that my sonic ambience, my delay and reverb pedal, I was going to say relay pedal then, delay and reverb pedal will definitely fit on there. I think it's going to look quite nice, but I've just run out of time in terms of putting Velcro on and wiring it up. That's another day's job. BUFX updates coming soon. And it's still raining, so I'm very glad I made the decision to stay indoors this afternoon. So a lovely fun day messing about. You can see I didn't quite get the pedal board finished for my BUFX, bass ukulele effects, but I know where I'm heading with that at least. And I did have a really nice play of my new Risa. And you might have noticed I wasn't even rocking it up much. I was rocking up there, but I just thought it'd be nice for you guys to see me playing a little bit more gentler music. So Rachel's Rambles number 4. What's been happening the last few weeks? Well, we had the party. I've actually spent the last week messing about with technical stuff. So everything you've seen recorded this afternoon was taken on this. This is a DJI Pocket 2. It's a little sort of vlogging camera. It's brilliant. I'm having great fun with this, but just to give you an idea, all right, of what my other new camera looks like, and that's why you might notice this looks slightly different, is I'm going to attempt to, there we are, you can see now what I'm actually seeing there. It's a bit of a mess, but there's my new DSLR or mirrorless camera. So I'm still trying to get to grips with all the new equipment. So if you notice a little bit of a difference, that's why, and it probably will change over the next few videos as well. So as you saw at the beginning, we had our birthday party a couple of weeks ago, and I had some more ukulele prezzies. I have shown you a few of them, but just to give you an idea, I have got some absolutely awesome friends and family. That is a ukulele plan to build your own ukulele. I may have to take that one in for the woodwork teacher in school. I do enjoy a good kazoo. Okay, however, with this one, they've gone a step further and actually had it engraved. Happy 50th birthday. I don't know if you'll catch that with light, okay, but they are an engraved 50th birthday kazoo. I'm not allowed to play that in Cool Hand Ukes, mind. Another little bag. I love these little tote bags. Ukes, not ukes. Ukes, not nukes. Completely agree with that sentiment. And oh my word, I've got such wonderful and creative friends. This showed up last week. My lovely friend Ali had spent hours and hours and hours, I can only imagine, making and hand stitching this, all right? So it's my very own, you know, I have the full glory, ukulele cushion with, I have no idea where she's got them from, all these lush, oh, it feels nice as well, all these lush sort of ukulele patches. So thank you, Ali, for what has to be a unique ukulele cushion. And yeah, technically my birthday is well over, but I am still overly excited because my big birthday present that I've ordered myself hasn't arrived yet. And they've started sending me pictures of progress. It's driving me nuts. I know it's not going to be long now, but I am so excited about this present arriving. And yes, of course, the minute it arrives, I'll be showing you guys too. And last but definitely not least, the Ukulaliens. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it now. For a channel where I was making videos to help us play in school. And of course, I do explain that's why I haven't made many videos recently, because we haven't had the school club up and running. I did manage to pop one up there the other night, but we are very, very close to hitting that 100,000 subscriber mark. I don't know if you still get plaques and things. Fingers crossed you do. So if you are a subscriber on the Ukulaliens, thank you ever so much. And if you haven't been over there and you haven't subscribed, please do. Let's get that 100,000. So there we are. That's Rachel's Rambles number 4 over with. An awful rainy weekend in Wales, so I thought it'd be fun showing you what I get up to sometimes when I'm messing about, and I do mess about quite a lot. I get distracted very easily. So I've had a little bit of fun today, messing, learning, playing, tidying. The Ukulele Wales bit, we've got some new cameras going on, so if you notice it looking different, and as I said, it may well change a little bit over the next few videos. I'm still very much learning on that front. New present soon! Oh, I can't explain to you how excited I am, and every time I get an updated picture, it just sends me insane. So there we go. Please, as always, if you've got a comment or a question, feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed. That does help with, you know, the sort of YouTube viewings and things like that. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.